Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making eru, which is one of my favorite Cameroonian dishes. I honestly cannot wait to share this recipe with you guys. So let's dive straight into the video.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
So guys, the first ingredients we are going to be using is eru. I don't have a measuring scale at home, so I decided to use this zip bag so that it will make it easy for you to estimate the quantity we are going to be using. In case you're wondering, this ziplock is 1 gallon and I'm going to use 3.5 bag of it. Our second ingredient is spinach. I'm going to use 6 bag of it. If you're in Cameroon, you can use water leaf. Our third ingredient is crayfish. I'm going to use 1 cup of crayfish. I'm also going to use some red beef and cow skin. In case you have any beef at home, you can use it. I'm also going to be using 7 cups of palm oil, and that is because I love a lot of palm oil in my eru. I'm also going to be using some fresh pepper because I love my eru spicy. And this red pepper is going to give the most amazing flavor ever. I'm also going to be using some seasoning, beef stock, and some salt. Make sure you check on the description box. All the ingredients are going to be listed below. Now into the pot. Here is our cow skin. I've already boiled it for 20 minutes. And now I added our red meat and I'm going to boil it again for 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, I added my smoked fish. I added the smoked fish and I'm going to boil it for 5 minutes because I already soaked the smoked fish into the water for 10 minutes. Now I spice it with my seasoning and leave it to boil for 5 minutes. While cooking our meat, let's dive straight to watch our eru. So guys, this is how our dry eru look like, guys. So we are going to wash it again. I'm washing it using cold water. This is how the first water of our eru looks like, guys. So we are going to wash it again. Now we are washing it for the second time, guys. This is our second wash, and after the second wash, I'm going to soak it for water for about 20 minutes. This is what it looked like after 20 minutes, guys. It's very soft. See how it's clean and have a very beautiful green color. Anyway, we are going to wash it again 2 more times, which means we wash it 2 times before 20 minutes and 2 times after 20 minutes. And this is what our clean eru is looking like, very clean and green. This is what the spinach is looking like. As you can see, it has all those long stems. That is a thing you wouldn't want to see them in your eru. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it in my blender and I'm going to blend it. You can also use food processor in this process if you can. My big shout out go to Madam Kuma watching from Canada. Thank you for loving all my recipe. God bless you. Anyway, this is what it looked like in the blender. As you can see, the blender has crushed all those big stems, which is really good. Now this is our prep spinach. I'm going to leave it to boil, then adding my eru into it. So now guys, you can see I've already added my eru and now I'm adding a little bit of palm oil. When I'm preparing my eru, I add my palm oil gradually. So I don't put palm oil at once, I put it gradually. As I earlier told you that I'm going to use 7 cups of palm oil in this quantity of eru because I love too much palm oil in my eru. At this point, I've added my protein. I always love to add my protein towards the end because I don't want it to be soft because it was already cooked. So I always add it towards the end. What is Cameroon eru without full pepper? I added my full pepper. Oh my goodness. I keep stirring. And it just make the entire eru and the flavor come out more better, which is true. I recommend this. You should try it. I still added more palm oil. As I earlier told you guys before, I'll be adding my palm oil gradually. So I still add more palm oil. I love too much palm oil in my eru, guys. After adding my palm oil, I also add my seasoning. And after adding my seasoning, I add my blended crayfish. I always make sure I blend my crayfish very well because I don't love to see particle of crayfish in my arrow. See, the flavor of this arrow is giving. I can't really stand it, my goodness. See, so delicious. Very, very delicious. I always like to add my crayfish towards the end, guys, because when I was growing up, I always see my mom adding crayfish towards the end. She said adding the crayfish towards the end, it always make the flavor of the crayfish come out even more. And just make the entire arrow and all the flavor come out even better. And which is true. I recommend this to you. Try this at home. Always put your crayfish towards the end. I think crayfish is just our spices that bring everything together when it comes to arrow. Because the flavor is giving. The taste, oh my God. The taste I can't explain. I can't wait to eat this. All my Vivisco subscribers, you people should gather here. Here is a customer order. Don't hesitate to place your order on Vivisco Kitchen. So guys, this is pretty much how the arrow look like, guys. Wow, the flavor, the taste, oh my goodness. You cannot even imagine that this is the arrow that they prepare with spinach. See, this arrow, it not get part two. Everything about this arrow is given. The pepper, bam. The crayfish, bam. The oil, bam. Everything is given. I'm so happy because this is a customer order, guys, and I know when the customer go, is gonna come back. So I'm so happy. I can't wait to eat this. It's so delicious, guys. So just try this recipe at home. Much love. Everything about this arrow is bang bang. Wait to be Cameroon arrow without full pepper. So guys, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Love you.